How do I use the self-service kiosk at the doctor's office? You have an appointment at the doctor's office or health center. There is a self-service kiosk available here. It's convenient because now you don't have to wait at the counter and you can handle everything yourself. Through the self-service kiosk, you can indicate your presence. Anyone can use the self-service kiosk. You can optionally enlarge the letters or choose a translation. On the screen, you make the choice for what you want to check in. Enter your birth date. Then your appointment will be displayed. Sometimes an announcement will appear on the screen. Follow the instructions in that case. If the check-in is successful, you can proceed directly to the waiting room. As a patient, you experience several advantages when you check in through the self-service kiosk. You save time because you don't have to wait at the counter. You also experience more privacy because you don't have to say your name and birth date out loud. Finally, you are better informed because you know exactly what to do or where to wait. Your healthcare provider can also give you more attention because they have fewer administrative tasks to perform. This improves the quality of care, which is a great advantage for everyone. Do you have any questions? Your healthcare provider will be happy to assist you.